I'm filming the police, not her. I don't care about her.
Yes.
We're trying to hold the cops accountable.
I don't want to fight. I don't.
Now I'm filming him in case anything happens to him.
Footage. That's not a
well,
problem.
you know what? It probably ain't helping her out at all. We'll be different. We'll find you out and kick your fucking ass.
That's fine.
Well, no, dude. That's go ahead and film all you want, buddy. It ain't helping. Look. You got going on.
I'm filming him in case anybody touches my friend.
Well, dude, you guys are a bunch of fucks. What do you think, you're paparazzi or something?
No.
Get a fucking life. Get a fucking life. Seriously, hey, douchebag. Hey, get a fucking life. Just walk on, right?
Hey,
this is the most important
I'm in
thing
the
that's
public
happening
area
to you in your life.
No, it's not. But I care when I see the police.
Get a fucking clue, man, and just fucking walk away.
I saw her grab. I saw the officer grab her.
No, I wanted to make sure.
But they get away with being assholes.
Afro motherfuckers. Whose video camera? You guys are too much. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Man, fucking fun. Hey, Fuzzy, get the fuck out of here.
Hey, stop it!
Dude, you're the one going after him.
Hey, get my camera back, please.
Come here, you little frizzy-haired faggot. Oh, man. Not even worth it.
You have something against me?
All of you guys are...
Where is it?
Fucking drugs in your system. Don't you? You suck dick for a fucking living, too. That's why you got a fucking afro, you fucking fag. Get the fuck out of here. Just fucking punch you in the face.
What's going on here, Amish?
You're going to edit this for me? Don't drink. Don't drink. Have I said this before? Don't drink. Come on, let's go. We did enough. You got all enough. You got enough. You got enough.
You guys want to head out? Well,
I vote for that.
I don't want them to see my car because I don't want to like attack me. Well, I see. We probably have to leave while the police are here.
Yeah.
You want to leave? Yeah, let's leave. Come on.
Yeah.
I could have killed the guy with my elbow.